Give us some encouragement. I mean, this has been awesome. It sounds like we just went to a church service, so let's take up an offering and go home. What is what just some encouragement for the entrepreneur? Because you know what it's like. Obviously, you talked about some of the highs, and that God told you that there's lows. Stress-free business does not exist. There's going to be some downtime. So talk to the entrepreneur who's just struggling right now.
Yeah. Actually, this is a word the Lord encouraged me with about a month ago. So I want to share it with you guys.
Yeah.
And it's simply this: expect it to work.
Mm-hmm. That's good.
Expect what you're doing to work. There's multiple promises that says everything you put your hand to will prosper. And I was reading in Genesis 39, I believe, the story of Joseph. Mm-hmm. And it says this a couple different times. It says, because the Lord was with Joseph, he prospered in all he did.
Yes.
And that I started putting my name in there.
Yeah.
It's even more powerful using your name than even saying the word me. I started saying, because the Lord is with Travis, everything he does prospers. And I realized I didn't realize accidentally, but I kind of shifted into this, let me try this and see if it works mentality. And I've kind of lived that way for a long time. Not necessarily anything wrong with that per se, but I think there might be a better way to do things. And it's taking that perspective of, this is going to work. This is going to work. And I've written that down. It's on my whiteboard. I've got note cards. It's like just on my phone. It's just a constant reminder of, hey, Travis, it's working.
Yeah.
It's working. It doesn't feel like it's working. Look at the data. Hey, it's working. It's working. Stick with it. It's working.
Good.
You might have to shift a little bit. You might have to pivot and adjust just a little bit, but keep going. It's working. It's working. It's working. It's working. And just that new perspective shift has just helped me. It's kept me fired up. It's kept me encouraged. It's kept my faith high. It's kept my hope high. And those things are absolutely vital as an entrepreneur. You have to keep your hope level high. Otherwise, a lot of it, like, here's a huge red flag. Anytime you feel like, what's the point? It means your hope is low. Yeah. And when your hope's low, your faith's going to be low, and then your actions are going to be low. You're going to take the wrong actions. But if you keep your hope high, everything else can fall into place. So if you expect this to work and you tell yourself it is working, your hope will stay up. And when you do that, everything else can fall into line. And it's just a matter of time before you see the tangible results of those actions.
That's good. Amen.